Kavya,
Yes.
you have to do this exercise. Do you remember the be form verbs?
Is, am, are.
Yes, is, am, are. These are called be forms. Okay, be forms in present. Present be forms. Now fill in the blanks with present be forms is, am, are. Do the first one.
What is your name?
Yes, what is your name? Okay, second one.
How old are you?
Yes, how old are you? Speak aloud. Speak aloud. Third one.
What color is your eyes?
What color is your eyes? Yes. Right answer. Speak loudly, Kavya.
What is the color of your hair?
Yes. What is the color of your hair? Next one.
Where are you from?
Where are you from? Right answer.
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color? Yes.
What is your father's name?
What is your father's name? Right one. Next one.
What is your mother's
What
name?
is your mother's name? Correct.
How many students are there in your school?
How many students are there in your school? Right answer. Now the 10th one. What dash your favorite sports?
What is your favorite sports?
Okay, very nice.